TjMaxx. So I thought we'd go inside. It's November 1st. We'll see if they got any Christmas out. I know, Christmas already, but you guys, gotta buy it when you see it. So let's go inside and see what they got. Look at these cute spatula and cookie cutter sets. And cookie cutters. Storage containers. Those Grinch fans. All your baking needs. If you're looking for some nice, fun slippers and socks, keep your tootsies warm. They have got you covered. Look at all those. Christmas is in full force at TjMaxx. Look at all this stuff. And we have just started, y'all. You got Christmas bubbles. They have so many to choose from. Look at that, guys. So many shiny pretties. Seeing this just makes me want to bake. Do you guys bake? Comment down below. Let me know. Do you guys do any special baking for the holiday season? Because they got you set here. Alright, this has to be one of the prettiest displays I've ever seen. Look at how pretty this is. This makes me want to have like a pink and teal Christmas. Look at how pretty this all is. Be here before you know it. If y'all need tablecloths, TjMaxx got you covered too. So many different patterns of tablecloths. Even shiny gold. And look at these super cute mixing bowl sets. You get a mixing bowl, spatula, cookie cutters. They're so flipping cute. And oh my goodness, it is a mushroom measuring cup. My friend Ashley would love that. And they have placemats and candles out the wazoo, you guys. More Christmas baubles. Look at that giant Christmas bulb. I'd like to have one of those for my front yard. More Christmas baubles. Pretty reindeer. Lots of pretties to decorate your yard, your front porch. Alright, so I feel like you guys know how I feel about pumpkins. Like, you can never have enough pumpkins. Well, as far as I'm concerned, you can never have enough trees at Christmas time. And speaking of trees, here's some more. So many pretty things. And if you're more natural, they got lots of pretty wood tone trees. Lots of signage, ornaments, nutcrackers, reindeer. More reindeer and signage. Some figures. Oh, you guys, look, Constance would love that pink little deer. I'm sure she would. And look at the doggies. You know how I feel about doggies. I love the doggies. And not to be left out, some kitty cats. And the Grinch with his tree. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. Look at these puppy dogs. They're so flipping cute. Tons and tons and tons of snow globes. Look at the doggies and Stitch. And the Baby Yoda and Jack Skellington. And our unicorn. And plushies. So much cuteness, you guys. And don't forget the end caps. Look at these gorgeous trees. Man, I love me some Christmas trees, or just trees in general. And the cardinal. And I want to say, you guys, that it has started with the Christmas music already in here as well. Look at these, you guys. This is to Santa. And it's a mailbox. How flipping adorable is that? So cute. And if you like the more natural wood colors, look at how gorgeous these are. So pretty. And they got the throw pillows. These ones are my favorite. They look like snow globes. There's Snow Place Like Home. Oh, look at the dog back there and the reindeer. How cute. And if you want to bougie up your bed, they have lots of pretties. I am loving this plaid comforter here. Because like Marina at Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict, I am mad about plaid. More pillows. If you can't find a pillow for the holidays at TjMaxx, then you're just not looking hard enough, because they have a bunch of pillows. And tons of soft, plushy blankets in all sorts of color schemes. And not to be left out, your fur babies. They have lots and lots of toys. And lots of clothes and sweaters. So they will be warm and cozy this holiday season. They have gorgeous, gorgeous table runners, you guys. Look at these. For the holidays. To put on your table. Look at how pretty they are. And they have garland. Lots of pretty garland that I love to put around my door and my fireplace. And then also look at these cute boxes. You guys, I missed out last year. Didn't buy these cute boxes. I think I'm gonna grab a couple today because they are so flipping cute for that special someone. Look at that little pom-pom lids with the bows for the pom-poms. How cute. They also have wreaths for your front door, so you can be all decked out from the moment you walk up to your front door before you even come inside. And for those of us that don't want to do dishes, they have to-go cups and lots of plates, paper plates. Oh, Hello Kitty. Lots of different holiday plates, so you don't have to do those nasty dishes.